This is the usual size that we have, and we're about to make this at least 20 times bigger. Whoa. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. How the heck am I gonna dip this in glitter? Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with it. You guys, I have to jump in before we start this video because I have some very exciting news. Guys, I'm coming out with a children's novel. It is a graphic novel. Look how cute, you guys. Just a little sneak peek at Boris right here. That's when he's losing it. He's like, speak. You guys are gonna love the storyline. It's so cute. If you guys listen to my podcast, Chins and Giggles, I went in more in depth about the book, like the behind the scenes and like the writing of it and everything. And I'm just so excited. This has been in the works for literally years, you guys. The book is called Slime Shop. The book is actually about 3 fictional characters that are friends that own a slime shop. Their names are Bailey, Jaden, and Sophia. They have a slime shop, and when they leave, the slimes come to life. And there's a villain, there's a love story, there's drama, problem solving, and everything that you need in a book. I showed my daughter the book. She's 2 years old. She doesn't read yet, but all the colorful slimes, she was obsessed with it, and I just know you guys are gonna love the storyline because I'm so proud of it. It's such a fun, cute book, you guys. Like, I'm obsessed. We did not want to add ourselves and like our actual slime shop in the book because I want kids to actually resonate with the characters and not see it as like, oh, that's Karina and her slime shop and her story. Like, no. I want kids to see the book and see the characters and be like, you know what? That's me at home making slime. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. It's actually available right now for pre-order. The official launch of the book is August 8th, but it's available for pre-order right now, you guys. So I'll make sure to link it in the top of my description box. Go pre-order the book, Slime Shop, right now, you guys. It is now available to order, and I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on it. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Sorry, I got really excited. I had to show you guys. All right, let's go. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we have a really fun video. Today we're making a giant slime, you guys. We have our #1 best-selling slime, our Pan Dulce slime in our Slime Shop Squishy Bunny, and I thought, why not make it a jumbo version? I've always loved making jumbo slimes. This is the usual size that we have, and we're about to make this at least 20 times bigger. Okay, so first things first, we have to collect everything that we need, and luckily we are at the warehouse, so let's go. Yeah, this is a lot of clay, guys.
It's time to go.
Okay, we got our clay, but I also need the clay topper, like the pink clay, and that's over there, so let's go. Alright, where is this clay? I'm just kidding. I know where it's at. Yay! Okay, this should definitely be enough. Alright, so I got this big container. This was a Twizzlers container. Our typical containers are something like this. So I was like, how do I find something like wide and tall and, you know, something big to make our slime? And I looked over at the kitchen and I was like, bingo, that should work. So we took the label off. It took a bit, well, but we got it, and it looks fantastic. It looks perfect. So typically we use like these little molds, but I don't have a mold this big. So we're gonna use this, and I think it should work. It has to work. First things first, filling this up with slime. I'm gonna grab some of that glossiness at the bottom. Yeah, that's what I want right there, girl. That stuff right there, that's what we want. This would be like one slime right here. Okay. Oh, look at that gloss. Yes, this right here. Dang, this thing's actually holding more than I thought. It's a whole lot of slime. I think that's gonna be it right there. Wow, that is so heavy. Okay, I think next up will be the label. This is how small our labels are usually, but with our container, we need something big, and we don't have that size. So we have like the labels that actually go onto like the packages, like, you know, like a shipping label. And I tried this on the container that we're using, and it actually looks like a pretty good size. So we're gonna attempt to print the label onto this, onto a shipping label. This is the Pan Dulce label that we have, like the one that we usually print. We have to zoom in, adjust it to be able to print onto the label. I don't know, girl. He was messing with it. Let's print it and see if it works. I really hope it does. It has to.
It has to, does. Right? Yeah. Moment of truth. Oh, okay.
Oh man, it cuts off. Wait, you put it on the other side. Okay.
Okay, quality dropped.
Oh, smearing.
Definitely bigger.
Okay, I feel like this is a good size.
So now we get our ultra glossy paper.
Ultra gloss, guys. It's on the wrong side.
Round 20.
It came out perfect. I actually think they're both really nice. I'm like, dang, which one do I want to use? I was worried for a second, but we did it. We did it. We got the label. So we're gonna get a cutter, like one of those like sheet cutters, and we're gonna tape it on. I think that's gonna be the best way to do it, y'all. It's gonna go something like this. I think I'm literally just gonna like tape it on. I can't think of a better method, y'all. Okay, we got our slime label on, and that was supposed to be one of the easiest parts, girl, and it was a little tricky. Oh, it's time to make the actual concha. I'm nervous about this. It's gonna be a little tricky. So if I were to try to get the mold just straight out of here, I wouldn't be able to pull it out with like really ruining it. So I'm gonna coat this in food wrap, and then I'm gonna try to get the mold that way. Let's see how this goes. This is probably the best it's gonna get. Let's try this out. Let's try this out. The trick here is to get it smooth. And that's usually a thing in general with our conchas that we make. Like when we stock the conchas, we actually have this whole thing down, guys. It's like an assembly. I'm really trying to get any air bubbles that I see are really noticeable on the outside. I'm trying to like really flatten those out because we want this to look as good as possible. Usually with our molds, I usually just like pat it on the table, but I don't want to break this, so I just want to make sure we get it nice and smooth. I mean, it looks fine. I'm gonna cover most of it, so let's try to like take this out. Oh my gosh, I know it's not gonna be the smoothest concha in the world, but it'll work. It'll work. No, it's coming. Look. I could even mold it like this while it's still on, huh? Whoa. Oh my gosh, so this is my concha base, you guys. What's really gonna make this come together is the pink frosting on top. So this is gonna be like the topper, and look how pretty this color is. First I need to unroll it. This is leftovers that we actually have from the current stock that we made conchas. I really only need like this much, probably. This is gonna look so good. I'm so confident about this, you guys. I think that looks about right, right? So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it on our concha. Is it centered? I don't even know. I don't know. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. I love it already. I already love this, guys. How the heck am I gonna dip this in glitter? I'm gonna attempt to dip it in this. So I'm gonna put a bunch of glitter in here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna see how I can do this. Am I gonna be able to dip her? How much can I dip? I could definitely dip, but like I can't move it around. Oh no. Oh no, I have to be careful. I have to be careful. Okay, let's see if I could get these edges. Okay. So now that we have our concha topped off, it has the glitter, it has the frosting on top. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lines now. Our concha has like these creases on top that I usually do with a cookie cutter, but we don't got a cookie cutter big enough for this one. I'm gonna use this bowl, and it's honestly a little small. I'm gonna like try to make it work with this. So I'm really gonna take my time with this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this instead, and I'm just gonna crease to the best of my ability. Okay, it's working, I think. I have to stand up for this. Okay. I'm gonna do one right here. I'm following what I usually do when I make these conchas, guys. And then I do one right here with cross. Like so. And then one last one in this corner. Oh my gosh, guys, we did it. Look at this big old concha, guys. Imagine this was real. Okay, so now we just top it off. And we're done. Moment of truth right here. Here it goes, guys. Oh my goodness. How does that look, guys? How's it look? Oh my gosh, she's so big. It's so huge now seeing it put together. Like, how cool. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with it. I am obsessed. I'm gonna start selling this. I'm just kidding. Hell no, imagine making these. It's so cute. I'm so happy with it. I can't wait to turn more slimes giant like this. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's dripping everywhere. It definitely got all over the label already. It is what it is. So this is our regular pan dulces, you guys, and this is the massive one. Like, it's so much bigger. This is, I said 10 times bigger. Absolutely not. This is literally a good 20 times bigger. I don't know how much bigger it is. Let's mix it up. It hurts to do it, girl, but that's what we're here for. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. Look at that. Wow, this is so much thicker and so much more dense than it looks. Like, it's just so much slime. I literally have to stand up for this. It's so soft. I could play with this literally forever. It was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. So let me know if you guys want to see us transform other slimes and make them giant, because this was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.